gosh. We are on our way to a little Christmas parade. Okay, here's the thing. It's so cute. Good morning and welcome back to a brand new Vlogmas. I thought I would start the vlog here because I'm about to open my advent calendar, my Anthro Beauty advent calendar. I'm gonna do this every day on the vlog, or try to remember to. Sorry for the crazy background noise if you can hear that. I'm sure you can. There's some people pressure washing outside, which is why also the windows are closed, so like the pressure washer guys aren't peeking through the windows. Today is December 3rd, so we are gonna open door number 3. What do we have here? It's kind of small. Ooh, it's nail polish, I think. Oh, that's really pretty. Butter London, look how pretty that is. I love this. Okay, can you even see it? Look how pretty that is. It's like a shimmery, kind of very shiny, sparkly red from Butter London. I actually love the Butter London brand. They make like nice, non-toxic, but like really beautiful nail polishes, and they're really high quality. I actually love that it's this little mini size, because whoever finishes a bottle of nail polish, I don't think I ever have in my life. It's really pretty. You know what? I actually might take this to the nail salon next time I go to get a pedicure and get it on my toes. Yeah, that was fun. I feel like I say that after every day. That was fun, because it is fun. It's so fun to have a sweet little present to open every morning of December. Oh, by the way, I still haven't finished decorating the tree yet. I'm gonna do a little DIY project on some clear glass ornaments and like draw some pretty gold stars on them and fill them with a little bit of glitter. I think it'll be really cute. And then we still need to find the box of like all of our special ornaments, like the family ones and like, you know, the special cute ones that you get like presents and that you gather throughout the years. I just don't know where the box is, so hopefully that shows up soon. Good morning, happy Saturday. We are on our way to a little Christmas parade downtown, which I'm really excited about. It's right by the lake where we live, and it should be fun. Yeah, Josh and I literally rolled out of bed like 10 minutes ago, got ready really fast, and we're heading to the parade.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Citrus chopping has begun. Josh is really good at thinly slicing them, and I'm not, so he's probably gonna do most of the honors. Thank you, baby.
She told me she could get 5 slices. She could only get 5 slices out of one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a bit of a thick
That's because
one.
look how thick mine are. Because I was like trying to do them thin, and then they would just mess up because I can't.
You have to be careful with your
straight.
fingers, but
I'm just not good at doing them straight. Like, look how thin this part is, and then the other side's really thick. Okay, all of my citrus is sliced. We have lemons, oranges, grapefruit, and lime. I'm hoping that this is enough. I'm not really sure how much it's gonna make, so I might need to do a whole nother batch of this like on another day. But I'm really excited. They look so pretty. Okay, I need to dab these with a paper towel just to like dry them up as much as possible before they go in the oven. But I've just set my oven to preheat to 200 degrees, and then they're supposed to bake for 6 hours. So we'll see.
It's the time to set your mind and spirit
first batch is in the oven. I just put all the grapefruit in. Well, most of the grapefruit in. I only have one drying rack, so I might need to run to the store and get another couple of drying racks so that I don't have to be doing like 10 batches of these. And also it takes like 4 to 6 hours, I think, for them to dry out. So that's already gonna be, it's 4 o'clock. I've started this project way too late in the day. So realistically, this probably isn't even gonna be done till 10, and that's just with one batch. I really wanted to get the whole thing done today, but I think I'm just gonna end up drying out all the citrus tonight if I go get another drying rack, or 2 or 3, and then I can string them all up with my twine tomorrow and make them into the actual garland. So that's the plan for now, but I'm excited for the house to start smelling good. It's gonna smell really citrusy in here, and I feel like that smells really Christmassy, so I'm excited for that. Okay, you'd never know it, but I just ran to Publix, got some stuff that I needed. I got 3 of these drying racks and 1 new cookie sheet. So I've gone ahead and got another tray ready to go in the oven, and we're gonna keep on dehydrating. Okay, here's the thing. Only 2 trays can fit in my oven at the same time because the oven's like not very big. Also, my dishwasher's going, if you can hear all that noise, sorry about that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do because I have at least 2 more pans worth of citrus to go in the oven. Oh my gosh, this is so much more of an ordeal than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be so easy. I just didn't think through like the oven space and all that stuff. Hopefully I haven't made like way too much. It's gonna be so pretty and totally worth it, but I wasn't expecting it to be this much of an ordeal. Otherwise I would have started it first thing in the morning. I should have done that anyway because it takes so long to dehydrate. It says for grapefruit it takes like 6 hours to dehydrate, so it might be a late one for me. Otherwise I'm just gonna have to like let it partially dehydrate and then turn the oven on again in the morning and continue. But anyway, this is probably really boring. I'll just keep you updated and let you know when anything good happens. This is all of the citrus that is yet to go in the oven. It's kind of a lot. Hopefully we can get this in just like 2 trays, but we will see. It's a couple hours later now, and I've decided to also make homemade apple butter today. I don't know who I think I am. I'm just being quite a domesticated, festive queen today. I actually made this apple butter when we were at the cabin for Thanksgiving, and it was so good. Everybody loved it, and I ate like, I could basically drink it. It was so good. I ate so much of it. So I thought I would make another batch. It's a slow cooker apple butter recipe by Half Baked Harvest. So I'm just following her recipe. I'm just adding like a lot more spices than she says to add in there because I like my stuff like very extra cinnamony. So I've added a little bit extra of everything. I've added extra vanilla, nutmeg, clove, and cinnamon, especially the cinnamon. And now I'm just adding my apple cider and maple syrup. This is my slow cooker. I've only used it a couple of times before and I really like it. It's Hearth and Hand by Magnolia. I got it at Target and it's not super expensive. So there's all my spices and my apples. It takes 4 pounds of Honeycrisp apples. Okay, apple cider is going in. Lovely. And then just over over half a cup of maple syrup. Now I'm gonna give it a good mix, and then this is actually gonna sit overnight and cook on low for 10 hours or more. So I've just set it here to the 10-hour setting. But I'm so excited about it. And then in the morning, I will blend it up in my Vitamix and then put it back in here for like 1 or 2 more hours so it can kind of reduce a little bit and get thicker. And then we'll have beautiful, delicious apple butter, and the whole house is gonna smell amazing. The citrus is dehydrating in the oven, the apple butter is doing its thing in the slow cooker, and I've just poured myself a lovely glass of port. I think port is gonna be my new go-to like nightcap, especially for the Christmas season, because it just feels really festive and fun. I was totally influenced by Victoria from In the Fro because she's always drinking port, especially at the holidays, and she just inspired me to try some. I think it's kind of like an old lady kind of drink, but you know I'm a grandma at heart, so I'm in love with this. It's really sweet, but it has like a lot of complex flavors. It's really nice. But the reason I sat down to talk to you is because I realized I have not yet opened my advent calendar for today. So I thought I would do that with you right now. Let's see what's in day 4. I really love the surprise factor of doing an advent calendar. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. This is a fur body wash, which I'm really excited about. I actually have their ingrown hair oil, and I found that it actually works quite well, but I've never tried any of their other products. I am totally in the market for a new body wash as well. I like don't really care about the one that I have right now. I don't think it smells like anything. This is so fun. I'm really excited about this calendar, you guys. It's really, really fun. My hair's sticking out all over the place, but anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my glass of port, have a lovely little cozy evening with my family, and I will catch up with you tomorrow. October 5th, and it's a Sunday morning, so I'm just having a nice, slow, chilled morning. The apple butter is done. I need to show you what it looks like, and then I will blend it. Here's day 5. Also for the citrus, I just had to turn the oven off last night and just leave them in there, and then I turned it on again this morning because they're still not dry. So it's a very long process, but let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh. This is probably the most exciting thing I've got so far. It's a Sunday Riley retinoid serum, which I've been really wanting to get into retinol or retinoid or whatever and start using it on my skin because I'm getting old. I feel like everybody that has insanely good skin as they age uses retinol, so I'm excited to start using this and seeing how it works for me. And Sunday Riley is such an amazing brand. I've had a couple of their products before. They're quite expensive, but they are amazing. They're really, really powerful. I'm telling you, this advent calendar, beautiful. This is what the apple butter looks like right now after over 10 hours of cooking. I'm about to throw all this in my Vitamix and blend it up and then let it cook for a bit longer in here. So this is going back in now, and I'm gonna leave it on high for probably like 1 or 2 hours with the lid off so that it sort of reduces and gets a little bit thicker. It smells so good. Praise the Lord. All of the citrus is officially done. These are all of the limes and lemons. They look so cute. And then on this one, we have all of the oranges and grapefruit. It's so pretty. I wish we did more grapefruit. That's the one thing that I wish I did. Anyway, I think it's gonna be so pretty, and now I just need to string all these up. Also, this is all of the apple butter done. I absolutely love my Weck jars. They are the best ever. And this one, I believe, is a 1 liter. So it's a whole liter of apple butter plus a little extra. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It tastes delicious. Good evening. It is now about 7 o'clock at night, and I'm just sitting down to finally string up my little citrus garland. I just got started. There's only 3 on there right now, but I'm really excited about it. But today has been a pretty slow day. I don't think I vlogged that much after this morning, but what did we even do today? We spent the morning sort of like tidying the house and doing a little bit of cleaning and stuff, and then we went to the gym, and then we went to the grocery store, and then we came home. I feel like we've had a long day, but we've not really done that much, which has been kind of nice. Just a super chill, slow morning. Josh is literally laying on the floor because I just gave him a little chiropractic session. Wouldn't recommend to do that at home because I'm not a chiropractor, but gets the job done, I guess. I'm trying to figure out a good little angle where I can do a time lapse of me stringing up my citrus garland. Oh, I also got a pedicure today, by the way. And I did use that red, really pretty sparkly nail polish that I got in the advent calendar, so that was nice. I really like it. It's very, very festive. Definitely different for me. I don't usually go for glittery or red, but I really like it for Christmas. But for the garland, I've just got my little thing of twine here, and I'm just putting on the floor, and then I'm stringing it along. If I need to poke a hole, because some of these are, like, naturally have little holes in them, this one doesn't, I will just poke a little hole with this little, like, I don't even know what this is for, but it's like a little steak, like kebab or fruit stick thing. I just make little holes next to the rind and then thread my twine through. I do have a lot more oranges and lemons than I do grapefruit, so unfortunately I can't just do like orange, grapefruit, lime, because I'll run out of grapefruits pretty fast. So I think I'm gonna do orange, grapefruit, lime, orange, lime, grapefruit, and hopefully that'll work out, but we will see. And I'm just watching some Josie on YouTube. She's super cute. She lives in the Cotswolds in England, and her house is like ridiculous. It's so cool. It's like this old, really, really, really old house. I don't know how to explain it. What would you call it? A countryside manor. But she's very Christmassy, very festive, and so that's what I'm watching right now as I'm stringing up my garland. The colors look so cute. I can't even believe it. It's not done yet. We're gonna do a little nail and try to make it like peek up in the middle a little bit because it's a little too droopy. And see how that.
On the left side, I need to bring up a little bit. I think the position, like from the wall, inside has got to bring it up a fraction. And
yeah.
Put the one in the middle.
Yeah, you're right. I've just put on my little Kate Somerville exfoliate mask because I've been needing some exfoliation and I look disgusting, but the Garland is officially up. I think it looks so cute. I'm obsessed with all the colors. It looks so good. The rest of the Garland, however, and the rest of my DIY project that I was gonna do with the ornaments is yet to be done. So, well, the Garland is actually done. We need to figure out where we wanna hang it up. For now, I'm just gonna do my little skincare routine, enjoy my glass of port. So yummy. But anyway, I thought I would say goodnight here, end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed it. The rest of my little arts and crafts, DIY projects and stuff will continue on into the next vlog, but I hope that you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for following along to Vlogmas. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in another one very, very soon. Bye!